Welcome to Data World Solution. Hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn about toNumber and toDate function. This is data conversion function, and I am using free trial Snowflake account, and this is my Snowflake web UI. How to set a free trial account? I already prepared video on this. You can check from playlist. Okay. Before going forward, I request you viewer to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you like this video content. So let's get started with this example. Putting here character data type 123, which is in single quote, so it's character data type. By using double colon number to convert character to number data type. Okay. Executing this statement, here you can see this is character data type because it's also aligned in left side, so it's character data type you can see from here. Okay. And now by using double colon and the number, you convert this character data type to number data type. Okay. You can also convert by using cast function. This is input data type. For example, I putting here statics number 1 2 3 4 5. You can put any number or you can put here column if required. And now I convert this value to number data type using cast and this number as number. Then you can convert it. It is same as this. Okay. You can use double colon number and by using cast function as in other database. If you execute this statement, you can see here this is number data type and this is character data type. You can see from here. You can convert this character data type to number data type using toNumber function. This is same as cast and this is same as double colon, but it's take second argument. As we proceed, you can see example. If you execute this statement, you can see this convert valid number character data type to number data type. Here if you put here ABC any alphabet, then it's give error because it's not recognize any number. So here is valid number. Okay, then it's convert. Now first execute this statement. Here is comma separated format, which is the number, and it is initially character data type. By using giving this format to number, then it's convert to number data type. If you execute separately, here I not give second parameter, then it's give error because it's not recognized by Snowflake. It is comma separated number. Same way here is format comma separate 1000 comma separator. So I take here second argument dollar and give this format. So now we are able to convert this to number data type. We can use G for comma separated. Okay, you can see here. Now let's learn to date, which convert any valid date which is in character data type to date format. Okay, so here putting double colon date to return only date part. Here is date and time, double colon date. If you require only date, then you can use double colon date to take only date value. If you require only time, then you can use double colon time. If both require date and time, then you can use double colon time stamp. You can use cast function, then it's convert date to date type data type. There is also date data type, but for example, suppose this is character data type, then you can use cast this take character data type, let us suppose, then you can convert as date, then it's convert to date data type. Suppose here is character data type, which is date, valid date. Okay, now by using cast function, this is take character data type, now it's convert to date data type. If you take only this, you can see example here is character data type, now it's convert to date data type. Okay, now here I am telling the Snowflake this is month, this is day, and this is year. by using mm-dd-yy format using toDate function. And here I same taking value, and but here I telling this is day, this is month, and this is year. Then you can see here returning year, month and day, here returning year, month and day, but here 11, here 10. In same way, if there is a dot data type, then you can specify here format dd.mm.yy format. Okay, you can see the result here. In same way, if a full month name and dot format, then you can specify dd then 4 times m, which is full name of month, and YYYY format. You can use this function in where clause. Here I am selecting all column and all row from Snowflake sample database with tpch_sf1 schema and order table. If I execute this statement, you can see here filter the result 1st Feb 1996 greater than. Okay, you can see the result by using toDate function. That's all about in this video. We would request you to please subscribe this channel and like this video if you like this video content. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.